How do you quickly separate the diamonds from the rough without missing the next unicorn or wasting weeks on obvious passes? Today, we are mastering the rapid startup evaluation because in a world wherein the best investors see 100 plus pitches every investment they make, speed and accuracy both in the initial evaluation become your competitive advantage. 5-minute pitch evaluation framework. Now, here's a systematic approach that can be used to evaluate any startup opportunity within the first 5 minutes. It's known as the STEAM framework, wherein S stands for size. You size the market opportunity, whether it is big enough, whether it is not big enough. T stands for team, wherein you do the founder assessment. Then E stands for evidence, wherein you look into the evidence for traction and validation. A stands for advantage, look for competitive differentiation. And M stands for momentum, look for growth and the trajectory that the company is following. Then there are the business model red flags that you cannot miss. First and foremost, you have people who pitch you for Uber for X without any network effects. They have linear scaling without any platform advantages. Then you have solution looking for a problem. You have a cool technology without a clear customer pain. And then you have extremely crowded market with no differentiation, wherein you will see 50 plus direct competitors with similar approaches. Next, let's focus on the powerful green flags, which indicate deeper investigation triggers. Conversely, there are patterns which often indicate high potential opportunities worth significant time investment. You have exceptional founder patterns wherein you have domain obsession. Founders who have been thinking about this problem for years. Lastly, there are the market opportunity signals where you have timing convergence, wherein multiple trends are creating opportunities. There is regulatory tailwind. There are policy changes which are enabling new business models.